Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can archive group, how we can archive board, item, whatever. So when you're gonna be here, you want to right top corner and you can archive board here, item or group. You just click here and archive the item. You want to click again here on item and archive. And when you're gonna archive everything, you can go to left top corner and then you're going to see archived board here, right? So, and this is where you can do it, you know? Or you can go right top corner, board settings, archived history, and you would find all the archived history right here. So yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'll really happy to help you. And yeah, goodbye.